The Realme Neo7 Special Edition SE represents a bold step forward in Realme's mission to provide high-performance smartphones at competitive prices, catering to users who demand both power and style. Featuring a stunning 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, it promises ultra-smooth scrolling, vivid colors, and a truly immersive viewing experience, perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. At its core, the Neo7 SE is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 SoC, a cutting-edge chipset that combines impressive computational performance with energy efficiency, making it well-suited for handling demanding tasks such as gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this powerhouse ensures lag-free performance, while storage options of up to 512 GB provide ample room for apps, photos, videos, and files. One of the standout features of the Neo7 SE is its massive 5,500 mAh battery, designed to support intensive usage throughout the day without the need for frequent charging. Moreover, with 100W fast charging support, the phone can go from empty to fully charged in just a matter of minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping users on the go. The camera system on the Neo7 SE is no less impressive, featuring a 64MP primary sensor capable of capturing stunningly detailed photos even in challenging lighting conditions. This is complemented by an ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes and a macro lens for detailed close-up shots, making the device versatile for photography enthusiasts. Realme has also focused on software refinement with the Neo7 SE, equipping it with its latest Realme UI based on Android, which delivers a clean, intuitive interface and a host of customization options. This ensures a user experience that is not only responsive, but also tailored to individual preferences. The design of the Neo7 SE reflects a modern aesthetic with slim bezels, a sleek profile, and premium build quality, making it as attractive as it is functional. Whether it's for gamers, photographers, or productivity-focused users, the Realme Neo7 Special Edition combines top-tier specifications, innovative features, and eye-catching design, cementing its position as a strong contender in the competitive mid-range smartphone market. This device truly exemplifies Realme's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering exceptional value to its users.